Mm, you can see. Hi there, I hope you are doing well. So in this video I want to show you and how to generate a refresh token and for integrated a Zoho CRM to the Wix site on the form. So first we need to some material like the client ID, client secret. So now in this video I want to show you step by step how to generate a client ID, client secret, or the refresh token. So first of all, as you can see, I create a note for too easy to generate a refresh token for you. So first you can see that go to the Zoho API console. First I go to the this API, this link. So as you can see, when you go to this and you can this is verify your identity. So first I go to the OTP is OTP, go to the your Gmail. So go to the Gmail. So verify this. After verify, you can see the a window. So this is a API console. So as you can see, there are two applications we created for testing purpose. Now you can see that on the right side you can see the add client. Go to this, and as you can see, there are different type of client. So I need a server based application. This client, to create this, now click this, and you can send some information. You can input some information like the client name. I can put it impact and homepage URL only the www.impactintegrated.com, not a https. Okay, so final the authorized redirect URL. So it's the full address, like copy this and paste this. So after it's created it, and you can see that this provide you the client ID and client secret. So this is very important. So first you can go to a sorry uh, text. So go to the notepad and client ID, client secret, code, JSON. So first I got this client ID, I paste this, and client secret, also copy this and paste this. Now I generated the code that is for for create a refresh token. So this is important. So next step, now after and go to the uh, note. So you can see that uh, after create the client ID and client secret, then you go to the generate the authorization code. So how to generate this code? So you can see this link. You can copy this link and paste on a browser URL section. As you can see, there are your client ID. So instead this text you can paste your client ID that is generate before moment this client ID. Okay, so I copy this and paste this. Okay, and all are now I enter this, and as you can see, this is the would you like to access the following information? So I need to permission go get the permission, so click the choice button and go to accept. As you can see, and we generated the code. After accept the permission, we generate the code. So that code is very important, so I go copy this code very carefully, because you can see the end, it's not the code character, so this is ignore you. So go to this code and copy this and paste this on the code. Okay, so client id, client secret, and code we generate. Now the fourth step, accept the permission. Yes, it is right, and we generate the code. And as you can see, the open postman, the fifth term, you can see that postman. Go to the postman section site for request, post request. So go to this link. So as you can see, the post request, I need to create a new post request. So post, and you can upload a URL like the this URL. Okay, for token exchange URL. So copy this and paste this. Okay, as you can see that. Okay, after paste, you can see this is the code value and this is the query. You can see that code and value, client id and client secret. So as you can see, we change this dynamic query instead of this code, client id and client secret. Okay, so now I copy this first client id and paste the client id and client secret and paste on the client secret. And after, sorry, okay, now go to the code, copy this and paste on this code. Okay, I check it again. Yep, sorry. Okay, now, and you can see after inputted all the dynamic value, then we go to the send button. As you can see, the code is you can see the error invalid code. I think the code is got invalid, so I try again. So I deleted some. Okay, so as you can see, back to the this site, you can see the code site. So as you can see, this code are not available now, so we again generate the code for the error. So I- and I go to back. I can see that after back you can enter again. So it's refresh, and then again same process, accept So after access, you can see that the new generate code. Copy this and go to the postman and paste the code. Okay, now I go to send. What's the error? I don't know the error. Okay, I think the client id is, oh, the client id is not correct. Okay, so when you when the this code is valid for one attempt, so now it's invalid, and go to then again this panel and back this, and again refresh, enter and click this and accept this, and again the generated code, copy this. Okay, okay, carefully. So go to then again postman and paste the code. Okay, so now I send it. Wow, this, and I got the JSON. I get the JSON file, as you can see, access token, refresh token. So copy this and paste on the notepad. So now you can see that all this information we need for the integrated the Zoho CRM to Wix form. So if you send me those information, then I try to connect it to your Zoho CRM. So I think you understand my concern, and if you generated this code for me, and it's easy to with connect the Joe CRM to the Wix form. Okay, thank you. Take care. Bye bye.